What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Let me know how the mic's on. Test, test, test. My bad, Joe. We got a couple sites we're looking at. Those that was in the live stream yesterday. A lot of the charts we was looking at, as well as in the Sunday counter analysis. Sorry to go we'll work all that stuff down in a second. You feel like the live will hop up in here? Looking at GM for possible sales right now. We can look at a possible re-entry on GA also. Look down into this GA move yesterday. It then again did the same move it did on Wednesday last week. The news didn't really do what we was looking for. Price just ended up still consolidating, pushed up. Now we got price pushing back down. So now we're going to see if we can not only hold this level as resistance again at 93.90, but if we can break the support level at 93.30. That's what we're going to be looking for. Got a new 15 that'll pop up in a second. Guys, got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description if you want to sign up for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month in that scooter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're going to pull it up in a little bit also. All right, new 15 just popped up. So we're looking to see if we can hold this up as resistance. If we can hold 1210 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 1125 and possibly down to 1030. Make sure to hit the first in the description. Check out the Sunday chart analysis as well. Again, it doesn't just go over what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what I see price doing throughout the entire week. A few charts have already started to go as projected from that, as well as yesterday's live stream. As far as how we ended yesterday, we started off the week 1-0, caught a nice GA move. TP6 got hit, caught 56 pips. As far as how we ended last week, we went 2-1. 2 wins, 1 loss. And as you can see on the bottom of the screen, how we ended last month. If you go to August 1st, you'll see how we ended July. 5 July, getting to 70 rate. You click on the beginning of July. Then all wins and losses are posted. Everything's dated, time, and document. So you can see right next to that how we ended the last quarter. April we went 16-4, catching 16,006 pips. May we went 15-4, catching 37,007. June we went 13,006 pips in the quarter, 44 giving us an 80%. So we've been killing it all this year. We just keep going up the chains. You can see how we did each month, each week, as well as each quarter. So make sure to hit the first link in the description, check all that stuff out. Again, there's a couple sites we're looking at. We're really waiting for the money kicking right now for a lot of these charts. Even yesterday, they're still kind of struggling to continue certain trends, right? The gold, as well as what you can do. You moved those over for yesterday as well. So now we're going to be looking for continued buys. 2800, that's support. We're going to look for about 2830 and possibly 2855. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. Any charts, drop in the chat. Just drop in this week's Bitcoin analysis as well yesterday. Make sure to check that out. Got a few more videos lined up this week also. I'm going to drop it tomorrow. Make sure to like the live. If you're not already, subscribe. We're almost at 2,700 subscribers. You can get to that easily. Yeah, GA and GN pushing back down. Again with GA, you can see the similar move that took place yesterday happened again. If we can continue to hold 93 or 9400, I should say, our resistance. As we see, price has been struggling for the past couple weeks now to break this support level. It's very similar to what GN is going through right now as well. All right, so we're just waiting on volume to kick in to see if we can break that level or reverse to see the trend go the other direction. Now, as far as today goes, we had GDP news at 2 a.m. about an hour ago, and then later on today at 8:30 we got USD news, and then when markets reopen tonight at 10 o'clock we got New Zealand news. So we're going to see these two news events can help bring some volume in so we can break those next levels.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
GN and GA are going as projected slowly but surely. GU is holding as low as support, but it's not, we don't see the same amount of volume as we see with GA and GN right now. We already hit TP. Where we at? I think we're about to hit TP2. Let me see where we're at right now. Those just joined the stream. We're in GN right now currently. There's a couple other sets we're talking about as well. Yeah, we just hit TP2. Make sure to like the live, y'all. This is TP, so let's see, put that in TP. Gotta do 5 minutes, about to pop up in a little bit. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Good morning, where is stop loss and take profit for this from GBP New Zealand. So I sent the signal. So you want to have more signals, you have to join the signal. But like I said, if GN can continue to hold 1215 as resistance, we can look for price going down to 1120 and possibly down to 1025. As far as signals, updates when price is hitting levels, New York price watch list, and all the access to the other stuff, you got to be place signaling. After this live, you're gonna see screenshots just like yesterday on my story on Instagram. The signal TP's getting hit and all that good stuff. I need 15 about to pop up in a second. Yeah, VA is still holding this level. Gonna be interested to see what it does today. Again, we do got a few that's popping off. We just had them at 2 a.m. for GBP pairs. When markets start and open up for New York, we got news at 8:30. And then at 10 p.m. when markets reopen later on tonight, we got New Zealand news popping off. Right now, again, we're just letting price do its thing. We're just waiting for volume to really kick in. We've seen some small moves happen, like we just hit TQ2 with GN. We see price tracing right now. Again, we do got these levels of traffic. Price is going to break through. And again, when we look at the bigger scale of things, we can see that price has been struggling to make that next lower low, make that next move to the downside. We can see again, wick on wick, wick on wick. We got some things to bearish, but again, we just got some work to do. As we can see again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in. A lot of these charts are just consolidating at these levels since we've been live. G looks like it's holding resistance support. So again, G can hold 2800 support. The is going to 2830 and possibly 2855. So just join this trade. I'm not into this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure you hit that first link in the description. Go to free somewhere from Telegram. You see on the screen how we did last month, last quarter. We went and hit the first link and check out the US sales. Last month we went, where's it at? 16 and 5. And the last quarter we went 44 and 11. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the live and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We're almost at 2,700 subscribers. You can get to that easily. Make sure to explore the channel. Playlist up to date. Everything's up to date. There's 4 huge playlists to check out on this channel. What broker do I use? If you're in the US, watch this video right here. Those are the brokers I use. Just drop the link in the chat. The link in the chat. Just signed up for Oanda, don't know much about it. So I don't use Oanda. The only thing Oanda wise I use the sources. The one thing I will tell you is don't just sign up for it without doing research first. Like when all this stuff was happening in the US, when the prop firms was temporarily down, we couldn't use, MT4, MT5, we couldn't use our regular brokers. I had people blowing up my phone for a good month and some change. Like, wait, what broker should I use? What broker should I use? And I told them, I was like, I gotta do research as well. So I use that time to research, look up different brokers before I even, push it to the public, before I put my own personal money and funds into it. Like I said, Orlando is a regulated bank, but I don't use it, so that's just advice right there. Don't put any money into anything or do research, do reviews, the charges, the spreads, what works, and then before you even put money into it, practice on a demo account. But if you're brand new to trading, the last thing you should do is worry about a broker. When you're brand new to trading, the first thing you focus on is the fundamentals and understanding how the charts work. There's a lot of mistakes traders make. They watch a couple videos, they sign up for a broker, they put money in there, they start taking trades. I like to use this analogy all the time. It's just like a driving test, right? Before you take the driving test, what do you have to do? You got to learn rules to the road. You have to take the written test. You know how the signs work, street lights, who got the right of way when, who doesn't got the right of way, who's got to yield, speed limits, all that good stuff. Then after you understand all the rules to the road, you pass that test, then you take the driver's test. What do you do at the beginning of the driver's test? I'm pretty sure some states and countries are slightly different, but I believe they're kind of similar in this case. First, you got to show them how to turn the car on. You got to show them how to use the signals, honk the horn, turn the headlights on, turn the headlights off. And then you got to show them how to park the car, reverse the car, parallel park the car, all that good stuff. And then after you show them how to do that, then that's right. A lot of y'all, might have watched all the Fast and Furious movies and played Need for Speed, and I think you know how to drive, but you grab the keys and go into the road. You wonder why you're getting in accidents and crashes because again you don't understand how to truly drive yet. I'm not saying you're necessarily running your trading out on me. I'm just speaking realities. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When looking at charts, drop in the chat. Got another 15 an hour about to pop up in a little bit. G is pushing when as projected. So if anyone took a G position or GN, I'm sure we're going to catch some pips. GN and GA are retracing as we speak, though. And be sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. First link in the description. The first link from Telegram. And paper trade for the last 3 months currently in USDJPY for buys. Enter that. Let's take a look at it. Set enter M14. $147.45. That's 147. Okay, so buys are the right move to go for because we are on the beginning of the reverse uptrend. We see no longer lower lows coming into play. We see the beginning of a higher high. So the entry wasn't too bad. A better entry would have been a little bit lower, around like 147 on 30 or 20, but you still got a pretty good entry. As far as risk reward, it's barely underneath a 1 to 2. And I always recommend going for a 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk ratio. That way, again, you get a good return on your investment, and your wins can always cancel out your losses. I got a video on YouTube breaking down risk reward. But to the other part you said about the paper trading for 3 months, that's the way to do it. That's exactly what I did when I learned and figured out the strategy. I say the story all the time. So I'm gonna say the full story. But anyways, fast forward. Long story short, those that don't know, everything I teach y'all, I had to learn and taught myself. So after I figured out how to do all this stuff, I did the same thing. I practiced the strategy and paper trade on the demo for about 3 months. And after I saw that I was consistently in each week and month profitable, all I did was hit settings, change from a demo to a live account, and just practice what I was doing on my personal account. So another thing you need to be doing on a demo account, this isn't just to you, this is just in general. Give me 1 second while I find that video. Another thing you need to do while on a demo account is you need to be making sure that you're entering lot sizes that you would actually be using when you're on a live account. So while you're on a demo account, you should know or have a plan or idea in your head how much you plan to invest and put into your live account, or how much the profit account is going to be, or whatever the case may be. That way you can see realistic profits, realistic results, realistic drawdown, and things like that. But yeah, you said you entered my 147.45, yeah, so you should be nice and blue right now. So just don't let this winner turn to a loser. Right? You're up and so just don't let that winner turn to a loser. Speaking of winners, GN and GA are pushing back in their favor. So we got to see what hit this next TP. Again, y'all, make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free server for Telegram. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody in the live that's been here since the beginning. Shout out to everybody in the live that's been here since y'all joined. If you want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Telegram and Instagram. Respond to my messages. Interested in sitting services and mentorship program, please in the description. And if you're curious what the details are, you can ask me in the DMs. Or again, if you watch any of my YouTube videos, every single one of my YouTube videos, the last 2 minutes goes over all the details of the investment seminar, one of my sessions, course, all that good stuff. Again, we do got USD news at 8:30, so do keep it in mind. We're going to be back at the same time tomorrow. We'll end this session 3 a.m. EST.